having?
Time to whip up some tasty noodles for myself. I love noodles. I'm very excited to cook noodles.
Hey, Coco, we've come to meet you.
Come, let's go play outside.
Hooray! Yes, I am coming. Ow! I was boiling water for noodles. Whew! Ah!
What's wrong, dear?
I was boiling water for noodles. I went out to play and someone spilled my water.
No, dear. Nobody spilled your water.
So, where did that water go?
That water has evaporated.
Mama, what is evaporate?
Evaporation is a process where liquid becomes gas. When we boil water, it turns into water vapors and rises into the air.
This means my water has evaporated. But I want to eat noodles.
I will whip up some noodles for you.
Thank you, Mama.
Anytime, sweetie.
Mama, you are great.